In previous video, we have discussed about reverse method to reverse the list elements, right? Today's video, we will talk about reverse list using slicing function, right? So what is slicing? Slicing allows us to access or extract a portion of a list. We can also use it to reverse the entire list without changing the original list, right? If you want to see the full video of slicing function, then link is given in the comment box. You can see it, right? So now the syntax of reverse the list, right? This is the default syntax of our slicing function, right? List name, start index, stop index, and step, right? So this is the syntax of what reverse the list, right? Syntax creates the new list containing the elements in the reverse order, right? So colon colon minus 1, what does it mean? uh, start is a default, right? Stop is a default, and step is given what, -1, right? So now we have a code example, right? So numbers is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? This is the what we call is before reversing, right? After reversing, print the after reversing, right? We will write the after reversing, right? Then we will give what, the list name. Then after we will give the square bracket. Then we will use the what, colon and -1, right? Now I will run this program. You will get what the output, right? So this is the original list, right? This is the after reversing, right? In the next we have example 2, right? In which we have a what, we will copy this. Now we will write over here the only change the what, the list name, right? Now I will run this program. You will get output, right? This is the before reversing, right? This is the after reversing, right? This is all about the reverse the list using slicing, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. In the next video, we will talk about reversing list using for loop.